So what's this one?
Aaron stuck his stick in the blood and the fish died.
Good. What happened here?
The frogs come out of their cage.
Okay. Yeah, so a lot of the frogs came out. What happened here? You remember?
The girl get bit by a mosquito.
Or the gnats. That's right. And then what happened here? Ooh, what are those things?
The bees.
Oh, those are the big...
Gnats.
Yeah, like the big flies, right? And then what happened here? What happened?
The animals died.
Very good. Okay, what happened here?
They got boo-boos on their arms.
Yeah, big sores. And what happened here?
It began to start raining.
And then what happened here? Remember what those were called? Remember? What were they called? Addie, come on. What were they called?
Gnat.
Lowers. Locust. That's right.
Locust.
And then what happened here?
No, I can say it.
Okay.
Locust.
Okay, good. So what happened here?
It became to be very, very, very dark.
Very good. And then what happened here? What happened right here? Do you remember?
She get hit by the Philistine.
Well, she didn't get hit by a Philistine. She was supposed to put, if she didn't put blood on the doorpost, what would happen?
She will die.
Right, her firstborn would die, right?
Her baby will die in heaven.
Oh, okay. Well, we'll just leave that alone. All right. Thank you. Bye.